Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Today we are in the at-home store looking at Halloween decor. Let's go shopping. So let's start with some lanterns for $19.99 in Trick or Treat. A little bit of candy corn detail to those. They do have candles that light up in them, but this is everything. I'm loving these little houses. So the little one that is the candy corn is $19.99. And then they've got this one that is a lot more elaborate and lights up for $49.99. Now the candy corn one also lights up. And then this one in the back that is my favorite, it is only $29.99. It does not light up and it is just sort of flat. No dimension to that one. Now let's look over here. Over here they've got some glittery spiders. The large one is $19.99 and the little one is $3.99. They have a planked wooden Trick or Treat pumpkin sign. That's only $14.99. Very good price. They also have some witches for $34.99, all dressed up in orange and black. And these that are on the bust for $19.99. Down here they have some candy corn pumpkins. So the larger one is $19.99 and the smaller $9.99. They do have some iridescent glitter and black stems. And then they've got this little Trick or Treat sign for $7.99 on wood. Up here they've got a little stuffed witch. That one is $14.99. And down here they've got some marquee looking pumpkins and skulls. So these are $14.99 and light up. For $4.99 they have a little Tricks and Treats sign in the green. They also have this one in the little ghost that says candy. That one is $9.99. Up here they have the door hangers and the bells. They've got a candy corn cutie sign for $6.99 and for $4.99 this one in the ghost. For $5.99 they have these paper mache vintage looking pumpkins. They have some little pumpkin spider votive holders for $5.99. And these little ornaments are so cute. They are black cats on cupcakes for $5.99. Down here they've got some Harlequin check style pumpkins for $4.99 and the smaller ones in a few prints for $3.99. They also have a Happy Halloween jack-o'-lantern stacked sign, and that one is $7.99. They have a really cute crate for $9.99. Did someone say candy in orange? Down here they've got a glitter striped pumpkin for $6.99. And then they have the Harlequin pattern version for $4.99. Lots of glitter on those. They have the shatterproof ornaments for $4.99. These are definitely candy corn colors. They have this little witch standing sign for $6.99. Down below they've got a metal paper bag jack-o'-lantern for $4.99 and then a treats sign for $9.99 in all kinds of glitter. For $24.99 they have this adorable cauldron full of all kinds of Halloween treats. This is pretty tall and would be perfect near a front door. They've got a little boo sign and that one is $9.99. For $29.99 they have a very glittery wreath with some snakes on it. And for $39.99 they have a super cute jack-o'-lantern in a top hat. So I'm going to show you guys along the top where I can't reach, but they have a large metal black cat. It's only $29.99. That is a large item, perfect for a front door area as well. For $4.99 they have a little sign, Season of the Witch. It does have a little kickstand. And then they've also got a few iridescent items. They've got the unicorns for $19.99 and then a iridescent glass pumpkin down here. For $39.99 they've got a beautiful witch. Her outfit is to die for. Wah wah. They've also got a black mansion with some bottle brush trees. This one does light up for $29.99. For $19.99, they have a lantern with sparkly spiders on the side, and these in the cage style. The smaller is $19.99 and the larger is $24.99. Up here they've got the bust in the black and silver version for $19.99, and then the wizard, and he is $29.99. Very nice clothing. We've got a little sign for $7.99, and then for $19.99 the witch's hat up on the pedestal. Down here they've got some more pumpkins for $14.99. These in the snake skin. Those come in 2 different shapes or sizes, and then down here they've got a spell book in ceramic, and that one is $34.99. Over here they've got some glass pumpkins. They're beautiful, very heavy. They've got this one with the snake coiled around the top for $12.99, and then they've got the crystal balls. They are not hooked up, so I can't show you what they do, but they're $19.99. Down on the bottom for $34.99 they have some very large signs. Those are like a welcome front door kind of a sign. Over here they have these in welcome for $14.99. Over here for $24.99 they've got a light up jack-o'-lantern. I like this one, it's pretty cool. They also have some lizards for $9.99, some snake skin votives for $9.99. Don't Hex My Vibe, those are $4.99. For $4.99 they've got a little hanging sign and a few different standing signs. If the shoe fits, Real Witch, and double toil and trouble. We've got all kinds of small decorative pumpkins with different sayings on them. For $12.99 they've got this gorgeous pumpkin with some roses on it. For $6.99 they've got the iridescent rainbow skull. They've got some more shatterproof ornaments and then some vase filler. Up here they've got a little wreath with lots of sparkle for $19.99. For $12.99 they've got a hanging ghost welcome sign, and then they've got all kinds of initial garden stake pumpkins for $14.99. For $9.99 they've got a really cute burlap pumpkin. And the camera is not doing this justice. It is massive. For $99.99 it is a huge ceramic pumpkin. And then they've got these over here. So all of these are $99.99. They've got the dragon and the ghoul. They're quite large and very heavy. They've also got these very tall stacked pumpkins with some harlequin, polka dot, and stripes that are $99.99, and that's the same price as these. They're very tall, heavy ceramic ghosts. They do light up, but I cannot find the switch to show you guys. So now we'll look at a few yard pieces. They've got these large eyeball garden stakes, come in a few different color eyes for $6.99. For $9.99 they've got the kitty in Happy Halloween, and this trick-or-treat piece of candy on metal for $7.99. Up top they've got these skulls for $12.99, and then the witch's hat and boot that's also $12.99. For $16.99 they've got the jack-o'-lantern, and then they've got this little spider that is $12.99. But I'm eyeballing what's next to it. I am loving this candy theme. So this is stacked candy. I want to show you guys they do have kickstands, so you can use them as a garden stake or just have them stand vertically. They're $14.99 a piece. For $24.99 they've got the black cat silhouette. They've also got a really cute bottle cap style bat. Up above they've got more garden stakes, including a really cute ghost that says Eek on his banner. Down here more candy striping on this skull for $9.99. The ghost is $12.99. They've got the witch's feet in the pot for $12.99, and this little trio that is so cute for $12.99. Same price on the jack-o'-lanterns. And then they've got this little guy for $18.99. Very cute. For $1.99 they have some ghost stakes. They've also got this one in the green and purple. And then a set of 3 ghosts with some more candy striped items. Over here they've got some large metal tombstones. Those look like they're $14.99. That's the same price as this chicken wire or fence mesh ghost. So this wall is all larger hanging items. They've got some skeletons, some jack-o'-lanterns, this one that looks like a scarecrow, and a spooky clown. So this whole end cap says under $10, and it's all just skull and skeleton related items. They have some skulls that would be good vase filler, and then a garland. Down here they've got the little hands. Some small skulls for $1.99. These pumpkins are really cute. And down below they've got more skeletons. These are all the critters and the snake, spider, the frog for $3.99. They've got some mice and a beware sign for $5.99. This is all some of their, I'm gonna call it their raven decor. They've got some boxed signs, more of the pumpkins, some very wide ribbon, and there's a raven for $6.99, or a crow. The little hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil for $4.99. Down here they've got some smaller pieces and a boxed sign for $4.99. They've got the skulls with the jeweled eyes. Over here they've got a light up flask for $14.99. And then this skull with a pearl for an eyeball for $9.99. Over here, really pretty amber glass dragon's breath for $9.99. For $7.99 they have a framed skeleton, and then they've got the light up skull LED candles for $8.99. Got some more skulls down here, and then a light up skeleton in the middle of a book for $19.99. Up here they've got a very pretty wreath, and then a standing tombstone. I do not see a price on this. It is a planked wooden gray tombstone. Down here they've got a pillow, and then another one of their statues for $99.99. Back here they've got a large canvas, and then I thought this was really cute, this little standing broom for $14.99. Now let's look at more of their burgundy items. So this little skeleton is all dressed up, really nice clothing on him. He's $39.99. Got a gorgeous pumpkin for $19.99, and these in the burgundy that light up for $19.99. Up above is another large wooden item, and then they've got the silver skeletons for $14.99. Down here a skeleton lantern that lights up for $19.99. That's really cool. They also have these mummies that are skeleton, very tall, and those are $14.99. For $12.99 they have some black velvet pumpkins and a light up burgundy skull for $14.99. For $24.99 they've got a skeleton on his throne. Down here they've got more skulls for $6 and $7.99. For $29.99 they have this glass piece that looks very much like an x-ray. They've got some of the decorative books, and then a skull candelabra, and for $34.99 a bride. For $14.99 they've got a really pretty pom-pom wreath, and also for $14.99 a standing trick-or-treat sign. For $7.99 they've got a standing sign. Down here one in the skeleton, and then some very cool vintage looking pumpkins for $12.99. Over here they've got all kinds of dragon items I want to show you guys really quick. Standing dragon, that's where I found that amber glass in dragon's breath. Down here they've got the skull and the pumpkins. I really like this one for $9.99. And for $89.99 they've got this statue. Down here they've got some eggs and a dragon's claw for $16.99. Really cool pumpkin and a welcome sign. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking around the at-home store at some Halloween decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.